See, what is it? Oh. Ouch. Look at a lot of snow, right, Jay?
Yeah.
Come on, let's walk back this way. Walk in front of me. Like the snow?
Mm-hmm.
Walk this way. Oh, watch it. Can I hold you? Ugh, there's a lot of snow.
What? No. Here, I want to make a snow angel.
No, not right here. Come on, we do it in front of the house.
Oh, and let's make a snowman first.
Alright.
Let's make a snow angel. Hey, just me and you.
Yeah.
Not with time.
Nope.
Because if he don't want to play the snowman and the snow angel, then he's kicking out.
Yep.
Kicked out. Hey, walk your path. And I'll walk my path.
Alright, excuse me. Look at our footprints, Jay.
Huh?
Look at our footprints.
Hey, where's my snow angel?
That's right there.
Can't see.
Right here. Look at it.
Oh! Hey, it just looks like a sharp ears.
Yeah.
Another snow angel.
Yeah, that's yours.
Hey, I accepted mine.
Another one?
Uh-huh.
Mine is Adlin's footprints.
Take a picture of it.
Alright, take a picture. Alright, take a picture. Alright, let's go. Damn. What are you doing? Are you punching the snow?
No, I'm pushing it.
What you mad? You mad at the snow?
Oh!
Oh, your arm's stuck?
Look at it.
Let's roll out, son.
Huh?
Let's roll out. Look at all this snow.
We're making a snowman.
Want to make a snowman?
Yeah. That's cool.
Alright, we'll make a snowman.
We're gonna make it.